Yeah, today we are going to talk about something very important also, as you know, as we always do it here on my channel. Today I have a product that I want to talk about, and I'm so proud about talking about this particular product. And this product I have in hand here is called Ekumfi Juice Pineapple. Ekumfi Juice Pineapple. This is a very new product that is made right here in Ghana. So anytime you are coming to Ghana, try and find this product. The reason why I'm going to tell you try and find this product is that Ghana produces one of the best pineapples in the world. Yes, it's on record. Ghana produces one of the best pineapples in the world, and this particular product was made out of natural pineapples without any preservatives in it. It is 100% natural. It is also made right here in Ghana, in a town called Ekumfi in the central region of Ghana. This company is a state-owned company by the country Ghana itself. It's a state-owned company. It's not a private company. It's a state-owned company. So fellow Ghanaians, let's help promote our own. This is not from America. This is not from the US. This is not from China. This is not from Dubai. This is made right here in Ghana, Africa. So let's promote and let's drink this every day. It's 100% natural. 100% natural. No preservative. And it's not yet in the market. It's going to hit the market very soon. So anytime you go to the market and you find a Ekumfi Juice Pineapple, please purchase one. It's not yet in the market. It will be in the market very soon. This is proudly made in Ghana. Let's help promote this, man. Let's help promote this. This is great. Let's help promote this. I'm going to taste it right here on my show, and I know it's going to taste very good. Yes, most people don't know that Ghana produces one of the best pineapples in the world, and these best pineapples have been used to produce this wonderful drink called Ekumfi Juice. So let's try it. Wow, very natural, very natural. Note, nobody paid me to do this video. I did it out of my own willing, just to promote my country. Brings up in a project like this. Most of our people do not like to patronize it because they think it's made in Ghana, so it has low quality. No, this is 100% natural pineapple juice made right here in Ghana, in Ekumfi in the central region of Ghana. This is very nice. Anytime you go to the market, purchase Ekumfi juice. It's made out of 100% pineapple. This is great. Let's help promote Ghana. This is the year of return, so take the opportunity to visit Ghana and you will never regret. So we say, eat Ghana, wear Ghana, watch Ghana. Thank you for watching this video.